Keep it in the KUAM News Zoom room. We're bringing on the executive manager of the Guam International Airport Authority, Mr. John Quinata. Good morning, JQ.
Unmute.
Unmute. Oh, that's last year, JQ.
All right. Good morning, Chris. Good morning, Sabrina and Manana Tsuzus to the people of Guam.
Good morning.
I see Jason also.
Right.
There.
So I assume we're bringing you on because there's a new screening process for outgoing travelers, and so for people who are traveling, first of all, I'm jealous, but more importantly, they need to show up earlier, right, JQ? So what can you tell us about that?
Well, basically, the travel, because we're still on PCOR 1, but we made an amendment, and it's just based on the feedback coming back from our folks here, which was justified. We have folks that their minor children are starting to go back to travel to the U.S. Yes. We had elderly senior citizen folks that are coming back or traveling back maybe for medical or for whatever reason, and then just people with special needs. So we are allowing a escort, especially to help these folks check in at the counters, and then once they're done with that, they're allowed to leave. But we made that amendment based on feedback, based on comments from the public, and we've adjusted to that.
All right, thanks, JQ. We do have Congressman Khalili Sablan on the line. But real quickly, I wanted to ask you about rapid testing over at the airport. We did speak with LT. He said that they're just waiting for public health. Do you have any other new information on when we're going to see that implemented?
You know, the LT is correct. We at the airport, we have the facilities ready to go. We are ready to execute as soon as public health gives us their requirements, whatever requirements they have. Like I said, we're ready to go. We've put up all the different scenarios, and based on those scenarios, whatever they approve, we're ready to execute. We were supposed to do it this week, and just awaiting. We have a meeting today, by the way, at 1 o'clock with public health to try and finalize that. So
okay.
Thank you, JQ.
We'll follow up with you then at 2.
Right. So just you know, for the public, the traveling public, what may be coming up, and we see this within all the airports getting notices and stuff, but with all the new variant strain that's going around from the different areas, the possibility of travelers going to the U.S. Needing a COVID test may be there. So in order for you to board the plane to go to the U.S., you might have to have a test before you board the plane leaving Guam to go to anywhere in the U.S. So that might be something that's new for us, and that's still preliminary. We're just waiting for guidance from FAA.
Well, thank you, JQ. Sorry to rush you along, but we do have CNMI delegate Khalili Sablan in the Zoom room right behind you. So grab some virtual Banelas Doggo. I thought the batter the other day. It's the last of the last.